Apple is about to completely disrupt the professional display industry with a product so advanced, so meticulously engineered, that it makes every other monitor on the market look obsolete. For years, creative professionals, filmmakers, developers, and designers have been forced to make a brutal compromise. If you want a display with absolute color accuracy, pixel-perfect scaling, and seamless ecosystem integration, you are told you have to spend thousands of dollars on enterprise-grade reference monitors that look like industrial equipment. If you choose a standard consumer monitor, you are left struggling with cheap plastic construction. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Terrible backlight bleeding, clunky menu buttons, and mismatched resolutions that blur your text and strain your eyes during long work sessions. But behind the closed doors of Cupertino, Apple is preparing to release the definitive answer to this problem. The Apple Studio Display 2. If you think this is just a minor refresh with slightly thinner bezels, you are completely miscalculating Apple's strategy. The latest leaks from the supply chain and manufacturing hubs reveal a total paradigm shift. Apple isn't just updating a monitor here. They are building an intelligent, hyper-advanced visual centerpiece designed to anchor the modern creative workflow. They are merging cutting-edge display panels with advanced processing units, creating a machine that actively enhances the way you see and interact with your work. And when you look at the technology being packed into this elegant chassis, you realize that Apple is about to leave their competitors scrambling to catch up for the next half-decade. Think about the psychological impact of working on a subpar display. You sit at your desk for 8, 10, 12 hours a day trying to bring your vision to life. You are grading high dynamic range video, editing high-resolution photographs, writing lines of complex code, or designing intricate layouts. If your monitor cannot accurately display what your computer is processing, you are working blind. You find yourself constantly guessing if the colors are correct, if the shadows are too crushed, or if the text is perfectly sharp. This hidden friction drains your creative energy and slows down your productivity. We have accepted this compromise as the cost of doing business. But the Studio Display 2 is being engineered to eliminate that friction entirely, providing a window into your digital world that is as pristine and flawless as reality itself. To truly understand why the Studio Display 2 is causing such a massive stir in the tech community, we have to look at the massive leap forward in panel technology. The biggest limitation of standard displays is their inability to show true, deep blacks while simultaneously delivering blindingly bright highlights. Traditional backlighting systems light up the entire screen evenly, which turns dark movie scenes into a muddy gray mess. The supply chain data confirms that Apple is bringing their revolutionary backlighting architecture to the Studio Display 2. By utilizing thousands of microscopic light sources grouped into independent zones, the monitor can turn off the light entirely in dark areas of the image while pushing peak brightness to incredible levels in bright areas. When you watch or edit a scene with a bright light cutting through a dark room, the contrast will look so lifelike it will feel like you are looking through a physical window. But a gorgeous picture means nothing if the motion looks choppy. Tech enthusiasts and creative professionals have been pleading for smoother movement on desktop monitors for years. When you scroll through thousands of lines of code, scrub through a dense video timeline, or simply move a window across a large desktop canvas, a standard 60 Hz monitor stutters and blurs. The Studio Display 2 is rumored to solve